Hey everyone, my name is Angelica and I am the makeup artist for Flormar in Style Studio. In today's video, we are doing a tutorial on makeup application and also all the techniques you can use for a flawless base. Before we start with application, I'm going to show you different techniques on how to apply your foundation. The first brush is a paddle brush, also known as your traditional foundation brush, which is one of the first brushes used for your makeup application. The second type of brush is a kabuki brush, which is a flat top brush that is much more dense that you can use to pat on the foundation into your skin. The third option is a duo fiber brush, which has much more finer bristles at the top of the brush than on the bottom. It's a bit denser on the bottom and it also provides a airbrush finish. The fourth and final tool is a beauty blender or a beauty sponge that you can get almost anywhere these days. This is a huge trend for makeup lovers and you can use it either wet or dry. You can use it to apply your foundation seamlessly and flawless without any patchiness or streakiness. But for today's video, I'll be using a combination of a beauty sponge as well as a kabuki brush to apply the foundation seamlessly and flawless. So let's get started. Before applying foundation, we need to start with a clean and smooth base. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to apply the illuminating primer, which will fill in the pores as well as smooth out the skin to create a nice silky smooth base to put your foundation on. I'm going to focus the primer on the T-zone, working my way from the middle to the outer sides of the face, just smoothing it out everywhere. For today, we are using the Perfect Coverage Foundation and this is in the shade 101 Pastel. I'm now just going to apply this with my stippling brush, starting from the inner sides of the face and working my way out. Next, I'm going to use my beauty blender just to smooth out all the edges of the face and then also make sure that everything is nice and blended out. Always make sure that you blend down your neck, the foundation, as well as around your ears and your hairline to make sure that you don't seem like you have a mask on your face, but that everything looks natural and that it's all blended into your neck and the perimeters of your face. And that is how you achieve a flawless base for your next step, which is highlight and contour. Make sure you watch the next video on next week's episode to see how we contour and highlight using all Flormar products. Bye bye!